KKR for the last 5 years as a brand. It's a very important sponsorship for us. Shah Rukh, Gautam, everybody involved with the team. It's a very special moment for us that the team is in the finals under Gautam's leadership. We started a campaign called Channel Me, extremely successful. We're getting 1,000 downloads a day, and more than 30,000 videos have been created, and people have created their own channel. That's been immensely successful. Once Gautam and his team got into the finals, at the end of the match in Pune, we asked our consumers to wish this team, and in the last 3 days, we've got more than 1 million wishes, wishing Gautam and his team the very best for this evening. So what I'm going to do right now is to hand over the scroll of all the consumers and their wishes to Gautam.
Nokia has been fantastic the way they've supported us, and as I've always maintained that we're going to go out there and make whoever has prayed for us, make them proud, and all the Kolkata fans who stood by us in all our bad times as well. So hopefully we can go out there and try and give some happiness to them, and thank you Nokia once again. They've been fantastic, and hopefully this association with KKR keeps growing and keeps moving forward. Thank you very much for all your support, and thanks to all the KKR fans for being there at all the times. Hopefully we can try and make you proud tonight.
Good evening everyone, and thank you Chennai and everyone here as always. Again, great to be here, and first of all on behalf of Jay and Juhi, myself and everyone at Kolkata Knight Riders, I'd like to thank Nokia as I always do, because we've started from the first day onwards trying to make a team out of KKR, and there have been ups and there have been downs, and there have been good times and bad times, and this is a special day for us. So more than for anyone else, Jay and myself do feel highly obliged for Shiv and his team, everyone at Nokia, for being so kind and sticking by us. And it's very heartening that all of us, and I think of Nokia as a family and as a partner in every which way possible, that all of us have learned a lot in this journey. And all I can say is that all the wishes, all the advertising, all the fantastic groundwork that Nokia does for us. So, as I was saying, on behalf of Juhi, Jay and myself, we thank Shiv and his team for helping us come so far and making this journey so memorable, so wonderful, and so convenient as a matter of fact. So thank you Nokia, and thank you for the million people who have logged on and said and sent their wishes. Inshallah, we will try and make them come true, and it's a personal wish too, and it makes you feel very heartened and happy that there's so many people wishing us well. So inshallah, for everyone, we'll try our best and do our best, and then as always, leave the rest. So right now I'm extremely nervous, so I will pass on the mic to someone who's less nervous than me, that is Juhi.
I look completely straight out of the shower, really cool, but Shah Rukh has said so much, and really I almost echo those sentiments. I'm extremely excited and anxious at the same time. I'm very hopeful and really do pray for God to be with us, victory to be with us. KKR has come really far this season. And like he said, I thought I was coming to the team. Well, yeah, this is also team. Nokia is part of the team, has always been with us. Please stay with us. And we hope for great success tonight, and thank you to all of you and to KKR, all of KKR.
So are there any questions?
How are you celebrating tonight if you do win? When you do win?
See, all our families are here, all our friends are here. So I don't know, I just want to hug everyone and go to sleep for some time. This has been a hectic couple of months, and everyone talks a lot about the celebrations we have at KKR. Actually, from the outside it is spoken like that, but all we do is, as a family, friends, our little babies, we just hang together and try to make everyone feel a little hospitable and nice, whoever comes as a player, as a staff, as partners. So we just try and create that kind of atmosphere. We've been able to do that, and hopefully we'll celebrate with some dosas and vadas tonight.
Yay.
Today, how do you feel? Do you think today match is a very tough and challenging for Kolkata Knight Riders?
Sorry?
Very tough and challenging for Kolkata Knight Riders. Because Chennai Super Kings also equally good team. But today
No, I think Chennai Super Kings is a fantastic team, and they have a record to prove that. It perhaps is the most difficult team to play against in any part of the match. During the league, I think we shared the honors, and hopefully we will put up our best show tonight. So CSK and the audience will be happy. It's a T20, and it's now become a cliche to say that you never know in T20. But it's really not a cliche. You never know in T20. So we'll play our best and leave the rest, and hopefully the other team will also do the same, and we'll have a great match. But yeah, it'll be a good team to play against, and inshallah try and win against.
What would be your message to your Knights just before the match?
I've removed the Corvo logo. Just jeep go.
Shahrukh, 5 seasons, a long wait, and did you really pinch yourself to dream come true today? All these boys really done well this season. So the entire credit goes to you. What really is it?
Absolutely. I think, when we started this off, this whole team here, Karuna, Vinita, Julie, Jay, myself, Jeet, we started this off overnight and tried to put it all together. But now we have someone who's really taken the reins as far as the administration and management is concerned. That's Venki Mysore. He's brought in some amazing discipline in every which way. And I think we are very happy that we have someone like him, Amit Sas, who's taken from the last year onwards the reins. Then of course Gautam himself, and he's been able to handle this team. I think nobody else would be. And I don't want to cause any kind of strangeness by saying this, but by the fact that we see Gautam from so close by, and we have been in the IPL for 5 years, as you said, we really do believe he's one of the finest leaders we all have seen, not only in terms of just the game, just as a person. And I don't say it in comparison to any other captain in IPL, and I say he's better or he was better. No, I just say it because we spent more time with him and seen how he is with the boys and with the team, with the administration, with the owners, with the sponsors, with the partners. And then there is a huge amount of discipline in that young man. So I think, yes, a lot of responsibility, and the reason for the success is him. And we thank him. We thank all the boys who've come together. And it's been an emotional journey. Unfortunately, being a film actor, unfortunately or fortunately, being extremely lucky in what I've done because of the teams that I've had, one has more or less faced success for 20 years. This has been a humbling experience, but more than a humbling experience, it's been a learning experience of resilience, patience, and learning, which I say always, how to lose but never be losers. So I'm very happy that we all have, Julie, myself, Jay, all of us have learned, including Shiv. Poor guy. We've made sure that he also comes along. We've taught him a few things too. But yeah, it's been a great learning experience for us, for our children, for our families, for all of us as businessmen, businesswomen, as creative people, as sports people. This one's very close to heart. One of the greatest experiences of our lives.
Shahrukh, have you got any message from Mamata Banerjee, Chief Minister of West Bengal?
Yeah, we've got all the love, and we have to go there with all the. She's wonderful. So yeah, we're gonna have a great time. She's every time we win a match, she calls us up wherever we are. Every time we do well or not do well. I remember one of the matches we hadn't won, and she was there. And she went out of her way to keep on telling us that don't worry, the next one, tumi jeet bo. So it was really nice and sweet. She's as excited. I think everyone in Kolkata is extremely excited that we have, we're trying to fulfill a dream that we saw 5 years ago.
Do you have any special plan for after if KKR win today, and there is any special plan for celebrating Kolkata, and team will go Chennai to Kolkata?
Yeah, like I said, we put some mishti doi and dosa and try that combination for once. Yeah, we'd like to
Shahrukh, how has Chennai hosted you the last 2 years?
Yeah, they're wonderful. I think everyone, Mr. Srinivasan, everyone in the team, we all, we know each other. Guru, they're all very kind when they come there, and so the IPL, this is the IPL program, but when we come, it's the team program, and I think every time we've come here, we had a great stay. Most of the time, Jay and me flying, that we finish the match and go back, but we end up staying here because everybody's so warm in Chennai, and the Chennai team itself, Dhoni and all the members, it's really sweet. I remember even when we were in Kolkata, the team management came to us and said, listen, whether we reach or not, you have to reach the final. So it's very kind. And always when we come here, it's one of the, we're film people, so for us, Chennai anyway is very dear to our hearts.
Ground, nice.
Yeah, it's nice, filmy ground, all our friends are there, and yeah, it's
But
wonderful
Mr.
to be in
Shahrukh,
Chennai.
for Chennai Super Kings, actually for Chennai is the most, they are giving lot of support to play. So any difference between without support and with support, we have to feel anything?
In terms of?
For Knight Riders, this is for Chennai people, this is the Chennai. So Chennai Super Kings is very support.
Oh yeah, they should.
Yeah,
I think
very
it's
affecting
nice,
players. Yeah.
No, it'd be very nice. It's always a little bit of an advantage when you play in front of the home ground.
Yes.
And Chennai Super King resides in the hearts of all the people in Chennai. But I would like to believe that myself, Juhi and Gautam also reside a little in the hearts of all the country and people in Chennai. So they'll pray a little for us also. So when we do a few good shots, I'll request everyone in Chennai at Chepauk tonight to cheer for us also, and they always do. It's one of the most sporting crowds. Even the last time I was here, even the one before that when I did the opening ceremony last year. I think Chennai is a more sporting crowd than anywhere else, and whichever team plays well, they appreciate that. So it's fun playing here.
Thank you.
Thank you.